After opening the packaging, remove and unwrap the base stand and set aside on a flat stable surface. Next, remove the two flagpole sections and unwrap. Place the flagpole section with the female threading vertical on the ground with a piece of cardboard to protect the base. Take the flagpole section with the male threading, and begin to thread onto the flagpole section with the female threading. Be careful not to cross-thread the sections. Tighten until snug. Do not use tools to tighten. Attach the ornament provided to the top section of the flagpole, and begin threading. Be careful not to cross-thread the sections. Tighten until snug. Do not use tools to tighten. Holding the flagpole vertically with the ornament positioned up, insert the end of the flagpole into the flagpole stand. Remove flag from packaging and unfold. With the star field of the flag on top, locate the opening in the pole hem at the top of the flag star field. Remove the flagpole from the flagpole stand, and slide the opening in the pole hem at the top of the flag star field up the base of the flagpole until you reach the base of the ornament adapter. Locate the pole hem tab on the inside of the top of the flag. Gently slide the slotted opening of the pole hem tab over the small brass screw, just below the ornament adapter. Cover the brass screw with the top portion of the flag. Remove the tassel from the packaging. Hold the tassel cord at its midpoint and pinch the cord to create a small loop. Feed the loop through the flagpole eyelet, at the base of the ornament adapter to create 6-inch open loop. Take both ends of the tassel and feed through the open loop. Continue until the entire length is pulled through and gentle snug in place. Then reinsert the flagpole into the flag stand. Remove the flag spreader from its packaging. Slide the black flagpole mounting clip of the spreader onto the top section of the flagpole just above the flagpole joint. Extended flag spreader arms and gently tighten brass nut until snug. Point the bottom corner of the flag's fly end at the flagpole with one hand. Take the flag's top edge and extend to the point where it meets with the flag spreader clip. Clip the second stripe in from the flag's top edge with the flag spreader clip. Cover the clip with the exposed stripe of the flag's top edge. Repeat this process on the opposite flag spreader arm and the bottom edge of the flag. Loosen the brass nut if needed to ensure the flag spreader arms are at equal elevation. Make any final adjustments to ensure proper presentation. Be sure to securely tighten the brass nut until snug. Do not use tools to tighten. Place tassel and cord at the front view of the presentation set. Position completed presentation set in final location.